everybody. Thank you so much for joining me for part 2 of my bins haul that I recently went to the bins and I got a ton of stuff, and so I kind of broke this up into 2 separate videos because the last video was already 20 minutes long, and so I kind of showed half then. I'm going to show the other half now. I did get a total of 64 items, and that did come out to $66. I think that was with tax, and I think I rounded up or something like that. So that is just barely $1 per dollar and a couple pennies per item, which I think is a fantastic cost of goods. So I'm going to go through, and some of these pieces I'm going to sell on Poshmark and eBay, but also I'm going to take them to some of them as well to a buy sell trade store called Style Encore. So I do have pieces that I've kind of picked up that I think I can sell to them pretty quickly that they might purchase, and then so I can make a little bit money back right away. But the other stuff I'll be listing on eBay and Poshmark. So this is a bins haul for you guys, and I hope that you enjoy it. I picked up all kinds of stuff. So I pick up any size. It doesn't matter to me what size it is. And generally, I do want to stick to more name brand items unless the piece really stands out to me. So I did pick this up. This is a maxi dress by Soma. I honestly don't really like picking this brand up because it seems to sit for a really long time for me. But what I'll probably do is I'll probably take this dress to a buy, sell, and trade store and see if they will purchase it. I also picked this up kind of for myself, though. It is just a cute, like, soft Hollister hoodie. It is cropped, and I think I'll end up keeping this for myself. I picked this up purely on style. The brand doesn't mean anything to me. This is like a corduroy, like a blazer jacket, and I just thought it was a cool style. It's by Edom Weekend. I've never heard of that, but if it's a good brand, then let me know if you've heard of it. But I like the style. It really reminded me very much of like Y2K. Okay, this I got on Style. It is by the brand Envy Sport. And it's just like a crop tie-dyed sweatshirt, and it says like hoodie, Chicago, the Windy City, USA. And I thought that was kind of cute. This is a Tommy Hilfiger dress, and someone recently, was it Tommy Hilfiger? Maybe it was Tommy Bahama. They sold a dress that was like a summer dress for $28 for me on Flip, and so I got like $14, I think, after everything. This is a great size, and it's actually a really cute dress. It's like a midi, and it's got these cute little ruffles. I think this is cute, and I'm going to try to sell that. I don't pick up all Tommy Hilfiger, but I do pick up some. This is a pair of super stretch American Eagle size 8 midi shorts in the like the stone washing, and that's the back. Yeah, that's just the fabric. The reason I like these is they are like a midi short, and you can tell they are legitly made for this length, but some people like to have a little bit longer shorts, so that's why I picked those up. I don't pick up all American Eagle shorts either. I was excited to find these. These are actually just a pair of Lily Pulitzer black pull-on pants. Truth be, I'll probably sell this to the buy sell trade store because I absolutely hate photographing black, especially pants. I don't care for buying pants. I don't like to sell pants. I pick them up quite a bit, but I don't like to sell them. This is a Soma really soft sweatshirt. It's like a velour blue. I'll probably sell this myself because I think this is probably a little bit newer style. I got this purely on how cute it was. It's like a crop top. It's probably homemade. Could wear it as like a little crop top, and it's reversible. So this side is flowers, and then this side is those butterflies. No, they're flowers too, but it's just a different pattern. It's very like retro bohemian. I picked that up. I got this on Style. I don't know about it. Kind of reminds me of Y2K, which is why I got it, and I think it is. It's just a buyer. It's like that. It's kind of like really stretchy, and it's like a red, and then the back is like dropped. So that really reminded me. They want almost $6 for this at the store. That just reminded me of It reminded me of the Y2K era, so I'll probably put that in the listing. This is Isabel Maternity, which is a decent maternity brand. It's an extra, extra large. I'll probably try to sell this to the buy-sell trade. I don't know. Sometimes it's hard because it's like, sometimes they only give you $1 or $2 for an item. So it's like, well, do I want to sell it myself or sell it to them? I thought this was just cute. It is cabby, which I don't pick up much cabby unless it's the new tag. But I just thought it was pretty because of the beautiful lace. And it's like this really pretty lavender purple lace. This is Pins and Needles, which is either Urban Outfitters or Anthropologie. I think it's Urban Outfitters, but it's like a mauve, like cable knit, open knit sweater. I picked that up. I thought these were so cute. It says they're buy and charge. I don't know. That's vintage, I'm not sure. It might be. Made in the USA, it's probably vintage, but they're these see-through like swim shorts. Swim pants, I mean, like overpants, and then it's like a wide leg. They're really cute. I mean, I probably wouldn't wear them. I would feel weird walking around, people see my butt through this, but they're cute. This is a Torrid top, a black one. And then here's a green one. And I think I'm going to sell this to a buy-sell trade here in town. I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. I take stuff to her place like once a week right now, probably. And she gives you a lot for stuff. I just took in a bunch of stuff. And I know I made money on it because I think it was like $4 per item is how much she ended up giving me. And you go to like, you're lucky if you get $2 at like Plato's Closet. This is I kind of showed some of these dresses in the last one, but it's like very bohemian tie-dyed. It's like a tunic dress. I guess it's a dress kind of. You could wear it as a swim cover-up. I like getting those. I don't know why they sell okay. These are actually my niece's. You know, actually, I paid less than $1 per item because I think my niece got like 15 or 20 pieces of clothing that we found that we stuffed in there. So actually it was at less than $1, but these are just cute little pair of leggings. This actually are for my niece. So I'm just going to take those to her. I think this is Odile, which is Anthropologie. Yep. Size 12 Odile. You know, it is an older style skirt, I would say, but it's a good size and it's a pretty pattern, and it is Anthropologie, so for less like $1, it's like, you know, I kind of pick stuff up even if it's $1. This is North Face. Someone wrote their name in it. It's an extra small, just a button-up top. I might sell this to the buy-sells. Kind of a stack of stuff. I didn't look up this brand, but Katie Leska, it says size 1. I don't know what that means. Never heard of this brand, but I thought this was kind of cute. It's like a button-up, but it's kind of like shorter. Aw, that button's coming undone, so it's got to be reattached. I hate that because I don't want to reattach it. Guess I'll have to. I'll see if this is worth anything too. It's kind of cute though. Yeah, it's kind of cute. Never heard of this brand. Bland Page. Says made in the USA. If you've heard of it, let me know. But it's just like a little t-shirt and it says road trip please. Cute. This is a Y2K era No Boundaries tank top. I do really well with these tank tops. I don't know why. They're almost like see-through, and then they got the cabbage lettuce hem. And yes, please. I do decent with those. This is made in Italy, which is why I got it. It is by Made in Italy. That's it. It's just by that. It's cute. It's kind of drapey. I don't really see a size. I don't know if they'll buy this from me. They might. I wish it didn't say just Made in Italy on it. I might try to sell that at the buy-sells. Okay, just a few more left. Okay, I was really excited when I saw this. This is the Gymshark symbol. I didn't really look over these. I just threw them in my cart. I, of course, don't know what size they are because I don't even know if they have a size thing. Some Gymsharks, it's really hard to find the size. These look to be in really good condition, actually. Just tiny bit of peeling. But Gymshark, I was excited about that. I don't find much of that brand in my area. I got this. This is Ralph Lauren. And reason I got this is it's very preppy. It was white, and I was like, it seemed to be in really good condition. And it's got the cute little polo logo there. So it's Ralph Lauren Sport. I think it's cute. It's very like, I don't know, Y2K, something clueless girl would wear with a skirt. This is just Loft plus size Loft, but I thought it was pretty because it is like a mustard yellow, and I thought it was really pretty. They wanted $9 for this at the thrift store. Size 16. I don't know if I'm going to sell this or not. I'm going to have to look up comps for that just to see, because if the comps are good, I'll sell it. I've never heard of this brand, but I just picked it up because it's new with tags. It's called Dress Rags Playwear, and it's a little girl's top, like a little tank top that she wears like that. And it says it's a size 2, so I guess it's for a 2-year-old. And maybe like a little boutique brand, I don't know. But I picked that up. I thought it was cute. And we'll see if it's worth something. Then I'll sell it. If it's not, I'll probably just give it to my nieces to like plan or something. Anyway, that's everything that I picked up. So like I said, I got more than 66 pieces because of all the stuff my niece got. But it was approximately about $1 per item. So I think that's a really, really great price. Even if I sold each item for $10, which would be my hope, I could at least sell everything for $10. That'd be like over $600. So I think that's pretty good for 3 hours. Of course, it's going to take me some more hours to list all this stuff. This really is enough stuff probably for almost a whole week of listing if I listed 10 items a day. I don't list every day. I would say I list almost like every other day. Some weeks I do really good and I list, 3 or 4 days in a row, and sometimes I don't. I would say I usually have a couple really good sale days, but I've been struggling, I think, because I'm not listing at like the same times. I feel like you kind of need to do that. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section, because I do want this to be more full-time, but I'm just not spending enough time on it. I am in the process of moving. I'm going through a lot of life changes right now. And so I'm in the process of kind of packing, and we'll see. We'll see what happens. But I have a lot of stuff. So I'm spending a lot of time trying to even just organizing my inventory and all that. So anyway, if you're praying people, pray for me. I'm going through a lot of transition right now, and I definitely could use your prayers. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more content from me. This is the second video in this 2-part bin haul, so don't forget to check the first one out if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye!